Hey guys, I'm bringing you this today. I haven't been filming very much the last couple of days. Actually, the last 2 weeks because the last couple of weeks because we've had some extreme weather here, extremely cold. Um, Also, a lot of rain. So there hasn't been much to do outside. I wanted to do another round of planting, succession planting of some mustard greens, collard greens. Some of the other brassicas I planted the other day are actually taking off pretty well. So I haven't really had to transplant any extra or, for that matter, try to seed anything else in. But I wanted to try to keep on schedule with posting videos. Like I said, there's really not much more to do at this time. I wish there was. I mean, I've got some other things I could probably work on, but I'm trying to keep the content related to um, doing mostly gardening and animal stuff. I know YouTube algorithm can be kind of crazy, and some of the things, if you don't prove what your channel is actually doing or not being like a real person, then YouTube basically will not show views on your channel. And I don't want that to happen. So that's why I'm just making this short clip today to be able to post this out there. Um, and I want to check with the people that have subscribed and have watched my videos. Let me know what kind of content you're looking for, the type of things that you want to try out that maybe I can try out for you and give you some kind of examples and see how my stuff does before you just go all out and jump into purchasing a bunch of stuff that you might use one time, or you might not even like doing that particular, item. When it comes to, I mean, that is when it comes to gardening and raising animals and stuff like that. So, I mean, that's pretty much my main focus here on our homestead. But yeah, I think that's about it for today. I'm going to keep it kind of short. Hopefully next week, this coming Sunday, I usually try to film on Sunday to post on Tuesday. I've been kind of slacking because of the weather, like I said here lately. But we're going to get back to posting videos full time here pretty soon. Um, Probably within the next month or so, we'll start making more content, because hopefully that's when most of my stuff, as far as some of my fall stuff, will be ready. We can pull that up. Maybe even walk you through, guys, through some succession planting of other things like the broccoli and the cauliflower. Um, Maybe some more cabbage. I'm definitely going to do some more carrots. I've got to order some more turnips. I ran out of seeds. I want to plant some daikon radish, some beets, a lot of the cold hardy stuff. I'm going to plant some more lettuce. Um, I didn't realize I was out of the lettuce that I normally plant, which is a black seeded Simpson. That's a leafy lettuce. Even though it's supposed to be during the summertime, I can get it to grow in the winter. I've got a greenhouse in here as well. But that's about it for today, guys. Like I said, it's going to be quick, short. And I want to thank everybody for tuning in. And I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday.